goodness, if you ask me. Absolute.
Alright, today I am going to be making home run in pizza. Absolute goodness. Alright, this is Chicago's premium pizzeria, established in 1947. Alright, let's see what this is. Alright, so this is this is a margherita with sausage pizza. Classic pizza. 2 pounds, 5 ounces. This is almost like a baby. Absolute goodness. Alright. Let's go ahead and open this up. I'm going to open it up from the side. Look at the pizza. First, let's look at the instructions. Right here, there's only 390 calories in this pizza per serving. Alright, so, alright, here goes instructions. Baking instructions. Alright, it says set on oven rack to middle position. Preheat oven to 450 degrees. Alright, let's go down here. 400. See, bake. 450 degrees. Alright, I'm going to go up to 455 degrees because I like my pizza a little bit hotter. Alright, let's go ahead and preheat the oven. Alright, so we're preheating the oven. Let me zoom it right out. Alright, and it says bake 455 degrees. Alright, it says place pizza directly on middle rack. Bake for 20 to 30 minutes, 25 to 30 minutes, or until golden brown. Absolute goodness. All right, so let's get started on this. All right, now I'm gonna open this up and put it on the middle rack. I'm gonna take my scissor fingers and open up the plastic. All right, open up the plastic, open this up, and then I'm gonna put it on the center rack for 25 to 30 something minutes. All right, set the timer for, all right, let's see, temp time, set timer. Go to take it to 30 minutes and start. Absolute goodness. All right. After 30 minutes, pizza should be done. I'm just gonna turn the oven off. Pull this out and look at it. Look at that. Cheese, sausage, bubbling up. Absolute goodness, if you ask me. Absolute goodness.